Today, we're making a wholesome and comforting dessert, buckwheat pudding, also known as halwa. Let's begin. In a saucepan, pour in 5 cups of water. Add 1 cup of coconut sugar and bring the heat to high. Stir gently until the sugar completely dissolves. Once the water begins to boil, turn the heat down to low. Let it simmer while we prepare the next part. In a separate pan over low heat, melt 110 grams of tallow. This adds a deep, rich flavor to our pudding. Now, add 1 cup of hulled buckwheat flour to the melted tallow. Stir continuously for about 10 minutes until the mixture turns a golden brown and releases a nutty, toasted aroma. Carefully pour in the coconut sugar water and turn the heat to high. Stir steadily as the mixture thickens. This takes about 4 to 5 minutes. Once it reaches a smooth, thick consistency, turn off the heat. Your buckwheat pudding is ready. Dish it out while warm and enjoy this nourishing treat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wholesome recipes. Thanks for watching.